Hi everyone, my name is Akshaya Kaure. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversations with them. I'm also a tarot card reader, and now I integrate both these modalities to help me connect better with nature and animals around me. Ethics is an important component of intuitive communication as well as tarot card reading. In the previous video, we discussed the importance of permission from the human before speaking to the companion animal or the domesticated animal of the human. In this video, I'm going to speak about similar things with tarot card reading. It is important that whenever we do a tarot card reading, we have explicit permission from the querent. So querent meaning whoever is asking the questions. For example, if I am asking questions for myself, then I am the querent here. And of course, I am doing my tarot card reading on my own. So that is absolutely all right. However, if I'm doing a reading for someone else, if I'm doing it for a human or if I'm doing it for an animal, it is extremely important that I have explicit permission and consent of the querent. So in case of humans, suppose if I am doing it for my husband, I need to have explicit permission from my husband to do a tarot card reading. Likewise, if I'm doing it for my best friend's animal, I here need explicit permission from the human as well as the animal to do the tarot card reading. It's an important boundary that we follow because our cards will also pick up on the energy of the querent. So if the querent is unaware, if the querent is unwilling, and if we are just asking questions for someone out of our own will without asking them for permission, the cards will also pick up on that energy, and the reading of course won't be great. But more importantly, it genuinely is not an ethical thing to do, to just do tarot card readings for people out of our own will. A lot of times you may see that people reach out to us, and then during the reading they may ask questions about someone else in their life. While it's not malicious necessarily, it is just out of them not being aware of this ethical boundary, and as a reader, it's our responsibility to tell them that these are the ethical boundaries that we follow. So if this happens with me, for example, I will request them to reframe the question and ask them about themselves. So suppose if it is about how a certain person thinks about them, I ask them to reframe the question and ask instead, how would a partnership with this person, a relationship with this person, a friendship with this person work out for them, the querent. So we are not intruding upon the space, we are not trespassing the boundaries of someone else without their explicit permission. So please bear this in mind and be ethical when you're doing communications, when you're doing tarot card readings, because that is what will help us have a sustainable journey on this path. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you have certain comments or experiences similar to what I've shared, please do mention them in the comment section below so that we can all learn from each other. Until the next video, bye-bye.